Hi, this is Tammy Cartwright coming to you from Nature's Heart. And today I want to acknowledge the sounds of nature and how it affects us on a daily basis. We can use the sounds of nature, birds chirping, the wind blowing in the trees, rainfall, the flow of water in a brook or a creek, or the way how we have those little ornaments that has the water flowing in the house. Those type things are designed to relax us. Those type things are designed to bring some type of peace back into our world. Have you taken time out just for you today? It's a beautiful day outside, and I would like for you to take a moment to create something peaceful, to create something that makes you feel good, makes you relax from that busyness of the day. Take some time just for you. Enjoy nature. Enjoy the sounds of nature. Enjoy what it does, and just take a moment just to listen. And how does it affect you? Write it down and keep those moments close to your heart. This is Tammy Cartwright coming to you from Nature's Heart. I hope you bring a sense of peace and tranquility to your day today.